I heard you want to see what Outre CB101 looks like in the color Purple Twilight. If so, stick around and take a look. Hey, Lazygirl Approved fam, I'm back sort of with another wig review. I lost my voice so I can't speak, but I have a stack of wigs I've been waiting to open. I'm not going to let no voice stop me from sharing with you. So I did a AI voice clone, and I will do it this way. Today I'm unboxing Outre CB101 in the color 1B UL Purple Twilight, and the UL stands for Underlights with Outre. It's a fun one I've been eyeing for a couple months, so I finally pulled the trigger. I love me some purple. It is part of their Color Bomb series, so it does come in some fun underlight colors like Pink Berry and Blue Nova, as well as regular colors like 1B. It comes with 2 combs in the front, one in the back, and an adjustable strap to help it stay secure. I'm going to go cut the lace. I'll be right back. All right, let's get it on our heads. I find that if it has a strap, this is the best way to get it on secure. For an Outre wig, it is on the smaller side as far as cap size, which is good for me with my small to average size head, but not as good for those with a larger head. Out of the package, it is pretty waxy and needs a good brushing. And while we look at this beauty, just wanted to let you know or remind you about my store closing sale at lazygirlapproved.com. I'm closing down my store for good, and everything is up to 90% off. Go get a new wig for $10 to $20 before they're gone. There are little face framing purple wispies, and the colors are a mix of purples and pinks. Not a lot of shedding. I will definitely brush it out some more to give it a more natural look. The parting space is pretty decent. The hairline is a little thick and both could use some careful plucking, but overall, I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you would rock this. Have an amazing day.